Unbelievable facts. Have you ever wondered why cracking your knuckles feels so satisfying? That popping sound isn't your bones breaking. Inside your joints, there's a liquid filled with gas bubbles. When you pull or bend your knuckles, the pressure suddenly drops, and a gas bubble forms or collapses, creating that pop sound. But here's the big question. Does cracking your knuckles cause arthritis? According to scientific studies, the answer is no. In fact, one doctor tested this himself. Dr. Donald Unger spent years cracking the knuckles of only one hand and never cracked the other. After comparing both hands with X-rays, he found no difference at all. Just one warning: don't force it. Cracking your knuckles shouldn't hurt. If it does, stop.